Want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face or filming videos? Today, I'll show you how to launch a faceless YouTube automation channel using AI in just 5 minutes. No expensive gear, no need for on-camera appearances, and no prior experience required. Thousands of faceless YouTube channels are making serious money every month simply by posting well-crafted videos using AI tools. If you stay with me until the end, you'll learn how YouTube automation works, how to pick a profitable niche, how to create high-quality videos using AI without spending a dime, which AI tools can fully automate this process for you. If that sounds exciting, hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. How does YouTube automation work? Think of YouTube automation as running a business, not just a channel. You don't create the content yourself. Instead, you either outsource tasks or use AI-powered tools to generate videos. Here's how it works. 1. Choose a niche. The first step is selecting a topic, whether it's tech, personal finance, motivation, or health. Create high-quality content. Instead of filming, you use a mix of stock footage, AI-generated scripts, and automated voiceovers. Upload and monetize. Once you hit YouTube's monetization requirements, you start earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. How to monetize a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube requires you to meet certain criteria before you can start earning money. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you qualify, you can apply for monetization through the YouTube Partner Program, VidIQ, and start earning from ad revenue affiliate marketing, sponsorships, channel memberships. To reach monetization faster, you need consistent content creation, which is where AI tools come in. The AI-powered content creation process. Normally, a YouTube automation team consists of scriptwriter, creates engaging video scripts, voiceover artist, records narration, video editor, edits footage and adds animations, thumbnail designer, creates attractive thumbnails, SEO expert, optimizes videos for search visibility, channel manager, oversees the entire process. But instead of hiring a team, you can use AI to automate everything. Here's how. Step 1. Writing a script. AI-based content creation. Instead of hiring a writer, you can generate video scripts instantly using AI tools like ChatGPT, enter a topic, and it will create a full script for you. Bing AI, another free tool that generates high-quality scripts. Pro tip, ask AI to structure the script into engaging sections with a clear intro, body, and conclusion. Step 2, creating a voiceover, AI narration. For professional narration, instead of hiring a voiceover artist, use 11 Labs, generates human-like AI voices that sound natural. Play.ht, another great option with a variety of realistic voices. These tools allow you to choose different voice styles, accents, and tones to match your niche. Step 3, editing a faceless video, AI video creation. To avoid spending hours editing, use AI-powered video tools. Pictory AI, converts scripts into fully edited videos with stock footage. CapCut, simple and beginner-friendly for manual editing. Runway ML, AI-assisted video editing for fast content production. Step 4, designing an eye-catching thumbnail. A good thumbnail increases click-through rate, CTR, and attracts more viewers. Use Canva, free and easy to use for creating professional thumbnails. Adobe Express, an AI-powered design tool with pre-made templates. Pro tip, make sure your thumbnail text is bold, clear, and readable even on mobile screens. Step 5, uploading and optimizing for growth. Before publishing, make sure your video is optimized using VidIQ, helps find high-ranking keywords and tags. TubeBuddy, analysis competition and suggests improvements. By optimizing your title, description, and tags, your video ranks higher and gets more views. Picking a profitable YouTube niche. Your niche determines how much you earn. Some high-paying niches include finance and investing, highest CPM and RPM, business and entrepreneurship, e-commerce and dropshipping technology, and AI health and fitness. These niches attract high-paying advertisers, meaning more earnings per view. Pro tip, Research competitors in your niche before starting to see what works. Key metrics for YouTube success. To grow your channel, track these essential metrics. CPM cost. Per mille, earnings per 1,000 OD impressions, RPM, revenue per mille. Earnings per 1,000 views after YouTube's cut. CTR, click-through rate. Percent of viewers clicking your video after seeing it, aim for 8% plus CTR. AVG, average view duration. How long people watch your videos, higher CR, better rankings. Improving these metrics boosts visibility and revenue. Should YouTube automation be your next business? Easy to start with AI tools. No need for expensive equipment. Scalable, grow multiple channels over time, can generate passive income. But keep in mind, while AI helps, YouTube automation isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency, strategy, and patience. How to get started today. Free AI test run. If you're serious about launching your faceless YouTube channel, Step 1. Use ChatGPT Bing AI for script writing. Step 2. Generate voiceovers with 11 Labs or Play.ht. Step 3. Edit videos with Pictory AI or CapCut. Step 4. Create thumbnails using Canva. Step 5. Optimize videos using VidIQ or TubeBuddy test. This workflow for free before outsourcing a team. Final thoughts. That's exactly how you can start a faceless YouTube automation business using AI. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI and YouTube automation tips, and let me know in the comments, which niche are you thinking of starting? Want a complete step-by-step guide? Join my free community, link in the description, to get exclusive tips and niche recommendations. See you in the next video.